I'm going to show you exactly how to legally use copyright music on YouTube without getting copyright claims or copyright strikes that hurt your channel and get flagged by the YouTube Content ID system. Right now in the background, you're hearing one of my favorite songs from Linkin Park, and I'm able to use this legally because I'm using a licensing service called Licked. But I'm also going to show you how you can license music for free that is copyright music from your favorite artists and musicians using the YouTube Creator Music Library. If you end up using music from YouTube's Creator Music Library, there are a lot of situations where it's going to be revenue sharing, or you're not going to be able to monetize it and earn from it on your YouTube channel. The convenient thing is you can license this directly, and in the case of YouTube Shorts, you are able to monetize it and get a bit of that ad revenue from the revenue sharing pool related to YouTube Shorts monetization. If you're confused about how to monetize YouTube Shorts, I've done an entire video on it you can watch. Link is in the description. For a lot of you, this is going to be the easiest and most convenient option because you're not going to have to usually pay upfront to license this content for your channel. However, there are a lot of limitations. You probably won't be able to monetize and earn from it, which is what a lot of you want to do. And it does limit the type of content where you get to utilize it, and the licenses can be subject to change. That's why I'm going to recommend Licked. As of making this video, I don't have a sponsorship with them. I don't even have an affiliate link with them. So this is something that I want you to use because it actually works. If you go to the Licked website, you're gonna be able to find music from your favorite artist. I'm able to find things from Linkin Park. I'm able to find things from Beastie Boys that I could want to license and use in my music. They have stuff from Dua Lipa and any other artist that you could even think of to find it. They have over 1 million tracks in their catalog. They're probably the biggest catalog for licensed music. When you go ahead and you either use a subscription or you purchase a song to license directly, you're able to use it on one video. You're not able to remix it, and there are some stipulations that go along with this. The good news is this license lasts forever. You are going to want to upload your video as unlisted on YouTube so that you can make sure that this clears, but as long as you've linked your channel to your Licked account, you should have no issues with being whitelisted, or they should be able to be resolved very quickly. And with Licked, these licenses are pretty much guaranteed for the lifetime of your video. So you don't have to worry about nearly as many things as if you try to use it for free with YouTube's Creator Music the way that it currently works. And that's literally all it takes for you to use copyrighted music that you hear on the radio or Spotify legally in YouTube. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.